In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit signatures in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're aiming to add a touch of professionalism to your emails, or you just want an easy way for recipients to have your contact details at their fingertips, setting up a personalized email signature is a fantastic feature that Outlook offers. Let's dive in and get your signature ready to impress. First things first, start by logging into your Outlook account. If you're already signed in, you're one step ahead, so just hang tight. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon representing the settings. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to customizing your Outlook experience. After clicking the settings gear, you'll be presented with several options. What you're looking for is Account, under which you'll find an option labeled Signatures. Click on Signatures, and this will take you to a page where all the magic happens. Now, it's time to name your signature. It might be tempting to skip this step, but naming your signature is crucial, especially if you plan on creating multiple ones for different purposes or email accounts. A good practice is to name them something descriptive like business or personal for easy reference later. Moving on, type or paste the text you want to include in your signature into the empty field. This can be anything from your name and title to more extensive information like your phone number, website, or company logo. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always tweak it as we move along. Now, customizing your signature is where you get to add a little personality. You can format the text by applying bold or italics, changing the font size or color to better reflect your style or your company's branding guidelines. Take your time here to ensure your signature stands out but remains readable. Additionally, Outlook gives you the option to add links or images. This is particularly useful if you want to include clickable links to your website or social media profiles. Simply find the Insert option and choose either link or image, and follow the prompts to include them seamlessly into your signature. Once you're happy with how everything looks and reads, don't forget to click Save. This step finalizes all the changes you've just made, ensuring that the next email you send will include your snazzy new signature. Finally, if you want to set this signature as a default for all new messages or for when you reply and forward emails, you can do that too. It's an optional step, but worth it if you want to save time and keep your communications consistent right out of the gate. And there you have it, a personalized email signature in Microsoft Outlook ready to roll. Make sure to revisit and revise it periodically to keep it updated with any changes in your contact information. Happy emailing!